Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Keyboard. Following that, click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!